Hi everyone, my name is Kezia and this is my space called KEZZIE's Corner. I'm a full-time psychologist and psychotherapist, but in my free time I love creating content and sharing it with you on my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup related one because I enjoy posting about makeup, lifestyle and well-being. So today's video is going to be about this subscription box from Plouise. Now this is a subscription box actually from August. It's been a while a bit, but it actually took a while for it to come, to be fair. I'm going to be unboxing it and also trying out the products that we also got in the box. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching, and if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So basically the box comes like this, really cute, and I've already opened it because I couldn't wait, and this is what my box is full with. Every single box, it seems, comes with something like this. So mine is the Plouise After Dark Midnight Muse Do Not Disturb Adventure Starts After Dark makeup set. This is the one that I got because if I'm not mistaken, everyone will get their own set, and mine was the After Dark set. I know a friend of mine, Steffi, who has her channel, I'll leave it linked down below. She got another set. In fact, she got some skincare as well. So I got the Plouise, the base. So I've heard a lot of things about it, and I also actually picked up one for myself, and I believe they come in different shades. So the one that I got was the Rumoro 1, and I also have now the Rumoro 2. So these are the base, which I cannot wait to try out because I've seen a lot of people talk about this base. Then we got Play Your Cards Right, and basically this is a lipstick palette. Now I've opened these. The packaging is really cute, but this one was a bit difficult to open, but now I think I figured out. It comes like this. It's like a deck of cards. It's actually pretty cute, and here it is how it comes. I don't personally like lipstick palettes like this. Give this a shot. And basically it's marked because I had a bit of a hard time opening this up. Then we have these. So these are the Plouise Own the Night lashes. We also have the Adventure Start After Dark, the eyeshadow palette. And these are the shades. Very winter. And then we also have two of the glitter liner duo. These two glitter liners, which look really pretty. We also have these liners. So these are the Take Me Away, Babe, We're the Best in Town lip liner. Whoops, wasn't meant to do that. And then we actually have quite a bit of lip liners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different lip liners. Now, my friend actually got these lip liners, but she got them in a lighter shade, and mine are in the darker shade. So I wish I would have gotten the lighter shade. That's basically it. We're basically just going to start playing with the makeup. The first thing that I definitely want to do is obviously try out the base. And I'm actually going to try out, I have Rumor 1, but I think I just want to try out Rumor 2. I bought a Real Techniques. This is the Expert concealer brush, which actually comes like this. So going to be applying some brows, and I'm going to be using, this is from Allure, basically their brow pomade, and it's a bit dry as you can see, but we have the Inglot. This is the Duraline, and I absolutely love this stuff. So it helps with keeping them on dry. This is the Plouise E1 brush. So you have the spoolie, and then you also have the brush. I have my psoriasis here. I just want to cover it up. Maybe, possibly, this is the only way to do so. I haven't seen my brows like this in so long. They're quite bombastic. Okay, we're just going to ignore that, but I'm going to use my Max Factor Brow Revival Brow Mascara. I'm just going to use this to set them in place, although I don't think they need more setting. So now we're going to go to the exciting part and hopefully to revive the rest of my face. So to be using the base, we're going to be using the number 2 shade. I'm going to place, I think you can place, I'll start with like this, and I'm just going to use the Real Techniques concealer brush to apply it all over. A lot of people have loved this product. Now I'm going to set everything up. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Accord Parfait powder, which is this one right here. I'm going to use this one, the F48 brush, which looks like this. Alright, so that is set. I feel like the base is a very good, beautiful shade. We're going to be using the After Dark eyeshadow palette, which I'm very excited to obviously use. This is my first ever eyeshadow palette from Plouise. I'm going to be taking the shade called Late Nights, which is this one right here. I'm going to use this one. This is the 56 brush from Kiko Milano actually. I'm applying it out in the outer corner and then at the crease, of course. I'm going to use this one, the E44 brush, which is this one right here. You want to take this one, Ventures O'Clock. And what I'm going to first do is I'm going to first apply it in my outer corner. And then I'm going to take the other brush and gently blend that in to the middle of the crease, not all the way. And then again, I'm going to go into it all the way, blending it into my crease because I don't want it all the way. Okay, so I'm going to just take a little bit now of Midnight Muse as well, which is this one right here. So as you can see, I started with lightest and then I got to the darkest. I'm not going to use this one, but I'm going to use this one because I'm going to stay a bit on the grays, kind of, you know, not shifting to the blacks. And I'm just going to build this up just in the outer corner, just like that, and kind of then I'll just blend that out, but I don't want it to go into the crease, if you know what I mean. Okay, and what I'm going to use is I'm going to use Late Nights, which is that one. I'm going to use basically an angled eBay brush, which looks like that. And I'm just going to apply this at the top, like so. Ooh, I really like that. I want to apply both of these shimmer shades, to be fair. And I think I'm gonna start with Switch Off, which is this beautiful shimmer shade. Oh, look at this shade, guys. That is absolutely whoa. Okay, so this I'm going to put, oh my goodness, guys, look. Now this is a shimmer, guys. Wow, I am impressed. It feels so buttery. Oh, whoa, that is gorgeous. Now I want to still use the other one, which is Starlight Secrets, and I guess to apply that we can use a brush. Louise, this was the 7070 brush, which looked like this. Starlight Secrets, which was that shade. Absolutely happy with it. What I'm going to do again, I'm going to go into Late Nights, which was the first shade we used, and I'm just going to blend that in. Let's continue the eyes after I'm going to do my face, and then we'll continue the eyes. So basically, I'm just going to tell you very quickly what I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Easy Blur primer from Huda Beauty as my primer. I'm going to use the Patrick Ta, the base brush from Huda Beauty. I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty concealer. So I can use my mini brush. I'm going to use my L'Oreal powder that I used before to set my eyes. I actually bought this new brush from Real Techniques as well. This is the setting brush, and I saw lots of people like mention it, so I was just curious to also give this a shot. That's the base done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use that brush again that I use, and I'm going to take Late Nights again, and I'm just going to place. I still obviously want to apply something for my inner corner, and so I'm just going to apply this with my AOA E132 brush, which is this brush right there, and I'm going to be applying the Switch Off shade, which is that one right there. Let's just apply that in the right there in the inner corner. I can take that Adventure O'Clock, which is that one right there, and I'm just going to use this brush as well because I think it's a good brush. And I'm just going to put it a little bit sort of to the outer part of my eye. The eye's done. Okay, but now we have to figure out how to use one or two. So I want to use everything, you know. At the same time, I'm very happy with how the look is at the moment. So this is the Glisten to Your Heart. This is a eyeliner. So it just comes, I suppose, like that. Okay, so I did something. So this eye is much better. I feel like this eye is prettier. So we'll just look at that eye. And I just created two lines, basically. Two random lines just there, okay? Now we're going to apply the lashes because I am going to go all in and I'm going to use my Plouise Budget Box. So these are the lashes. So these are Own the Night lashes and they come like this. And oh, how sweet. It also comes with its own Plouise glue. Very thick. Very thick. But actually they applied quite nicely. These are the eyelashes applied. And I don't know, I'm just going to use some mascara to kind of, mesh them together. I'm going to use the Rimmel Thrill Seeker mascara. This is the Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer as my bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using the Quirk shade from Revolution as well, the XX Revolution range. Absolutely love this blush. It has a bit of shimmer as well. It's really pretty. For highlights, I'm also going to be using highlights. And this one is the Reactive shade as well from XX Revolution. Absolutely love this highlight. Ooh, look at that, so pretty. Now, let's go into the lip palette. We'll try. You know what? Let's try. I'm just gonna take this one. This is the Behind Closed Books. These have all different names. Oh my god, yes, this is Behind Closed Books and it just comes like this, and I'm just gonna try and use this. It's a lip liner done. Now I'm just going to apply this shade. I'm gonna try, actually I'll just apply, you know what, I'll apply a mixture of Uno and Due. Okay, so I decided to actually do the lips and I used the shade that I initially wanted to use on its own because the lip liners I have are not my favorite lip liners, to be honest. Not my favorite, but the shades are not something I would go for. So I actually just used this as my lipstick. Yeah, I think that works much better for me. I'm going to use my Rare Beauty Always an Optimist primer. I absolutely love this stuff. That is the finished look. Basically, I am absolutely very happy with the product. Actually, I think if you had to ask me what was my favorite product, I would definitely say the eyeshadow palette because I haven't done a smoky look in a very long time. So thanks to this palette, I actually did one, and I really love the matte shades, how they blend out, but also the shimmer shades are truly beautiful. The eyelashes are very heavy. I'm not used to kind of these eyelashes, to be honest with you, but I absolutely love them nonetheless. The lip liners were my least favorite because I feel like they're not the shades that I would go for. The Plouise base seems to be beautiful. I also love how then my shadows applied. Again, like I said, I prefer this eye. And the lipstick palette, again, not my favorite because I don't usually use creams as my lipsticks. I prefer normal lipstick. I haven't seen myself with this kind of makeup in a very long time. I think it's only natural as well. Oh, and the eyebrows now go with the whole look. That was my first ever unboxing and trying out my Plouise subscription box, which I absolutely am very happy with, and I cannot wait to receive the next box. And if this is something that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Until then, I am going to go, and I hope you all have a lovely day. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao!